Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. Today we're doing another quick video on the Oculus Quest, and it's also applicable to the RFS. We're reviewing a pair of earbuds from Kiwi design. They were sent to me by the company. However, here it's always honest reviews. Not a long time ago, I did a video on how to improve the audio on the Oculus Quest and RFS. And what I normally use are these around the neck headphones from Sony. They are below $20. But what about the Kiwi design earbuds? These are simple earbuds. It comes in pair. You have two. What is the difference between this and using other kind of earbuds? It's one cable per earbud. You will plug it in your Quest or RFS on the left side and the other one on the right side. So you don't have the cable tangling around your neck or behind your neck. This is the main advantages, and Oculus has provided two input to do so. There is two important things that you must have for audio for earbuds like that: comfort and sound quality. For comfort, these are simple earbuds. Personally, I have very small ear, and earbuds, any brand, tends not to stay in my ear. They tend to fall off, and these are also the case. But I won't stand a grudge against the Kiwi design earbuds because it might just be the fault of my ear. One thing that you will notice is the fact that the cable is very long. And if you just install the earbuds in your ear, you see that it's too long. But I think it's meant to go around your ears. That's one solution. And then you should be good to go. But what I prefer to do is what I did on the other side, is to put a cable here with a Velcro strap or another kind of strap that I had here, and to route it through the headband, and then have a good position of the earbuds. And when I'm finished playing, I just take out the Quest and I pull on the cable here, so the earbuds don't dangle around. They sound for the price. It's always for the price. They sound great, really. I was really impressed. I mean, it's not high-end earbuds or high-end headphones. However, it's so much better than using the Quest speaker. It's not even comparable. The sound volume is way higher. There is more bass. There is more sound. I have played multiple games with them, and it's just good. It's just good for the price. The Kiwi design earbuds is a good product for the price. So if you want to test them out, please check the link below. Thank you all. It was Tech Dad. See you next time. Ciao!